So before I jump into this video, I just wanted to quickly talk about the process of recording myself while shooting and watching back that footage. For me personally, I feel like it's so educational in terms of just how I shoot, how I approach a subject, how quickly I take their photo or how slow I am to take the photo. And just watching back a lot of this footage, I was like, man, I approach certain things like way too fast, or I hesitate and don't like fully commit. And I really wish I would just fully commit, because I'm just like, man, I could have better compositions, or it's just like I see myself missing a photo because I'm so focused on everything else around me. I'm not just preparing for something that just may be, just to my left or just in front of me and whatnot. But all that said, just want to hop into this video here, shooting with the X100V out on the streets. As you can see, if you watched my last video, I actually switched to the black, and my God, I love this thing. It's absolutely beautiful, and I did it because look at it. Like, it's just ultimate kind of stealth mode. I love it. I love shooting from the hip, with waist load finder if I just want to be a little stealthy and whatnot. But yeah, it just works for me. Got this nice little hand wrist strap, which is actually from the Ricoh GR3. So whoever I sold my GR3 to, sorry that I forgot to give you the strap with the camera. But overall, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and definitely please consider subscribing, because I definitely have more content coming.